We here at Cranbourne's Primary School acknowledge the traditional owners of the land on which we meet today, the Bunurong people, and pay our respect to their elders past, present and emerging.
We would also like to acknowledge any Aboriginal or Torres Strait Islander people we have here today.
We will now sing the Australian National Anthem. In doing so, we will demonstrate two of our school values, responsibility and respect. When we sing with pride and stand up straight.
We welcome you to sign along with Auslan as well.
When we finish, we sit down quietly and listen for what is coming up next.
Australians, oh, let us rejoice, for we are one and free. We've golden soil and wealth for toil. Our home is girt by sea. Our land abounds in nature's gifts, all beauty rich and rare. In history's page, let every stage advance Australia fair. In joyful strains that let us sing, advance Australia fair.
Hi everyone, it's Miss Forsgett and Mrs. Dorr here doing the Principals Report for this week. At the moment, our principals are all at a conference learning some new things, and we're looking forward to seeing them when they return and hearing about all of the new things that they have learnt. We currently have our second group of Year 6 students at camp in Woorabinda. So we're looking forward to welcoming those students back today and hearing about all the different and fun activities they have been doing. Next week we have Timetable B for Year 5 students heading off on their camp to Phillip Island as well. So we wish those students well for that camp. Hopefully the weather is fantastic, and we're looking forward to hearing about all the camp stories when the students return.
This week, parent-teacher interviews bookings opened on Compass. So if you'd like to jump on and book an interview with your child's teacher, you can do that through Compass. Next Friday, the 29th of July, the prep students will be celebrating their 100 days of school. So they'll be dressing up and taking part in some 100 themed activities, which will be fantastic and such a great achievement for our prep students doing 100 days of school.
That's exciting. And then we also have our curriculum day on the 1st of August. So there is information out in the school's newsletter. Mr. Waples has put together some information about what the staff will be doing while we are at school. We are having some professional development based on numeracy, but students, you are lucky you get that day off. So while we are doing our learning. That's it from us as the acting principals. We hope you have a fantastic weekend and look forward to seeing you around the school. Bye everyone.
See ya. Stay safe.
Hello, Mrs. Wrigley here again. Now, everywhere I go, in the yard and around the school, I've been getting asked, Mrs. Wrigley, why haven't you been doing your jokes and your riddles? So back by popular demand for our online assembly is Mrs. Wrigley's Riddles and Jokes. Here is your one for this week. What's red and goes up and down? I'll give you 10 seconds thinking time and see if you can work it out. All right, let's see how you went. What's red and goes up and down? A tomato in an elevator. I hope you enjoyed that one. And if you did, make sure you go home and see if you can trick someone with it. Have a great week, everyone.